Here you go for Tony. Do you like your ice cream? Is it good? Blueberry? Blue. Is it cold? Brr. Brr, so cold. Is it for mommy? Thank you. Delicious. Delicious. You're so silly. You got a little bit of it on your face. Can you wipe off your face? Oh, good job. You got most of it. And clean up a little bit. Can you look at the camera? Look at mommy's phone. Oh, thank you.